At mga kabre, siguradong marami kayo natutunan ngayong araw. Pero syempre dahil pinag-uusapan natin Facebook, dadagdagan namin ang aming trivia para sa inyo.
At alam nyo ba mga kabred na isang Pinoy ang nag-design ng physical office ng Facebook sa US?
Wow!
Diba? Nakaka-proud na Pinoy pala nag-design yan. Kilalanin natin siya mga kabred.
I think Filipinos are very resourceful, and I think I got a lot of that from my relatives. I was raised a lot by my grandpa and grandma who came over from the Philippines, and they kind of, we're going to show you a different way. And a lot of it was being resourceful, and you need to definitely work hard at it. Nothing's going to come to you. So, the thing that differentiates you from the others, who's going to work harder. And I'm definitely disciplined enough to work hard and long. There's a lot of 60-hour weeks here, a lot of 80-hour weeks here, where, we want to compete with the other guys, and the only way to do it is to spend the extra time. I think, Filipinos are notorious hard workers, and this is a hard business. So the thing is just to be patient and be very positive about it, and it'll get rewarded. I mean, I never thought I'd be designing Facebook. I never thought I'd be designing Levi's or all these other companies, but I think, there's talent and hard work will be rewarded. So I think that would be the thing I would say is that, just keep on trying and working hard at it, and eventually it'll come.